friends, and welcome back to Garfin's creation. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all the Christmas molds that I generally use for my Christmas sweets. All the links will be available in the description box below and the comments too. So let's see what they are. First one is bake and serve plum cake molds with the lid. So you can not only bake your cake loaves but also gift it in the same one along with the lids. The next one is oval shaped tart molds and also the round ones. You may have definitely seen my video on where I have used these tart molds to prepare these tartlets. Also prepare cupcakes in them. The next is everyone's favorite, the KCAL combs. Come in a pack of 2. You can also check out my video how to use this KCAL combs. Most of the products that I've shown today are not very expensive. The next one is the rose cookie maker. It comes with 6 molds and a detachable handle. So you can select whichever shape you want. Also make fried tartlets with this. The next one is just a single rose cookie maker. So if you do not want the whole set, you can buy the single piece as well. The next one is Christmas silicone mold. I had a lot of requests for people asking for this link, so I've added that too. You can check out my video how to use this mold. Next is a 4-piece Christmas cookie cutter. You can use this for fondant and making cookies like the ginger man cookies. I lately shared the video how to make the ginger man cookies. The next one is mini Christmas mold, can be used for chocolate and fondant too. The next one is a little bigger size and it's really very cute too. And if you are fond of making marzipan fruits, this mold is definitely for you. You can also check out the video on how I made the fruits here too. The next one is the steel tubes. This is the best option to use for this recipe to make this coconut tart rolls. I've shared this recipe too. All you have to do is roll the dough around these tubes and then deep fry it or bake it. The next one is everyone's favorite, newries or karanji. This mold is absolutely very useful to make proper size newries. This mold does not have that gap in between, so you get perfect karanjis every time. Do check out the video how I've used these molds. This is available in steel also. You can use the base of it to cut the round circles and make the newries. Next is the paper doilies in 3 sizes. Need this to pack your cakes and other Christmas goodies. It's handy enough as you don't have to buy 3 different sizes. They all come in one pack. Need to make a Christmas house. This cutter mold is really very useful. You can use it for fondant, chocolate and also making ginger man bread house. The next one is 18 pieces mini muffin molds. You get so many shapes in just one pack. You can make these mini cakes with using this mold. This silicone mold comes in a pack of 3 and the price is very reasonable too. You can use this mold not only to make chocolates, jellies and jujubes, you can also make Christmas decorations. You will surely need the chocolate wrappers to wrap your Christmas chocolates. You get different colors and patterns just in one pack. Next are these oven gloves, which I definitely use every time while baking. They are so trendy and inspiring. I did receive a free napkin along with this. Next is the brown baking paper. You can also use this for wrapping. You can line your baking pans. You can use this for rolling your cookie dough. Also lining your baking trays. These are really very handy and they are unbleached. They can be reused. Good quality and strength. So I hope you all like all the products that I have showed today in this video. Do check out the description box and the comments for all the links. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again. Take care. Bye-bye.